A man is dead after being trapped in his home after it exploded, according to the Effingham County Sheriff's Office.
It happened on Ebenezer Road on Saturday, October 28th. WSCV's Kaylee Fedko walked through the home's rubble today, escorted by the victim's wife. She is joining us live from the home with what she saw.
Thank you, Tina. Right behind me is the house where Effingham County officials say Gregory Smithy died about 2 weeks ago. His wife, Beverly, taking me through what's left of the home and walking me through what she saw. A warning, some of these images may be disturbing. An owner of this home, now in ruins, dead after the Effingham County Sheriff's Office said it exploded the evening of Saturday, October 28th. Gregory Smithy of Rincon was 69 years old when officials say he died in his home on Ebenezer Road. His wife, Beverly Smithy, and some family members taking me through the rubble.
When the explosion happened, you see what it did to that wall, and this door was wedged shut, and he couldn't get out. They found him in that bathroom back there.
He was taking a shower.
Beverly Smithy was inside her home when it exploded.
Take a shower, and I put the pot of potatoes on the stove, and when I turned that stove on, the house just blew up. It throwed me across the kitchen.
She says she saw Gregory was trapped in the bathroom.
I tried to come this way, and I seen the TV, a ball of fire shooting, so I went back the other way and come out the front door and came here, and he stood on the other side of that door, and I couldn't get it open.
After escaping the burning home, she tells me she then sought help to save her husband.
Had no phone, so I rode the golf cart to the fire station and told them to come. And they came.
No,
Okay.
And
we'll be in the area.
there just wasn't, it had so much fire and so much smoke, there wasn't nothing they could do.
Beverly telling me it's a miracle that she is alive.
Firefighters and everybody said I shouldn't have survived.
Gregory Smithy's funeral was on Friday. Officials say the cause of the explosion is still under investigation. Reporting live in Rincon, Kaylee Fedko, WSAV News 3 on your side.